To achieve MLA format, we should set it at the document style. So I'm going to show you how here in the Mac environment. First of all, we want to select the style of type that we want, and I prefer Arial. I think the best thing for us is either Arial or Times Roman, whichever one you prefer. I'm going to make the type size a little larger. This is the largest that you should use, 12, or you can select 11 or 10. 10 is the smallest. But I'm going to make mine larger just so you can see it better. I think I'll go up to 18. So the first item that we put in is our writer name, our own name. And then we're going to want to, before we go on, set that double spacing. We want our paper to be double spaced throughout. No extra spacing before, after the title, no extra spacing between paragraphs. We want to take all that out and just have it be double spaced. So I'm going to select that. And now I can put in my instructor name. I'll use my alias. And then the course and section number. So for us, that's English 1021. And then we're in either section 55 or 57 this semester. We'll put in 55. And the date. Generally, the date is the date when the assignment is due. And in MLA format, we put the day first, then the month, then the year. So I'm going to put in 25. January. If I abbreviate January, I need to put a period. If I write it out, I don't need any punctuation between the day and the month, or the month and the year. 2013. Now one double space down, just one space, double space, which I've set. I'm going to center my text then, using that center paragraph, centering paragraph function up there on the menu bar, and put in my title. One space down, I go back out to the same margin that my heading's at, and now I want the first line of this paragraph and all subsequent body paragraphs to indent 5 spaces. So I'm going to use this first line indent and slide it over right between the 1 inch and the 0 half inch is the indentation that I want. So I want it to be bold. I want it to stand out. So it needs to be half an inch. You can see how the second line goes back out to the margin, and I have it all set up like this. So it's automatic then. I don't have to worry about doing 2 returns to get double spacing or any other kind of fooling around. It just happens automatically. Now the last thing I want in my MLA formatting is my last name and the page number in the upper right hand corner. So I'm going to, here in the Mac environment, go to the Document Elements tab, but for you in the PC environment, you'll want to go to, I believe, the Insert menu to find the header page number information. If you're in the Mac environment, you're going to want to use Header and select this one, so it lets us do make it look the way MLA should. I get rid of those two, and here I put my last name. I should, however, capitalize my last name. There we go. And a space, and then the page number. So we're all set, and that's what MLA formatted paper should look like visually. It should have this 4-line MLA heading with your name, the student name, the instructor name, which in our case is my name, our course and section number, and the date when the paper is due, with the day first, then the month, then the year, centered exactly 2 spaces below that, the title, and then the text starting exactly 2 spaces below that, and all of it double spaced. So I just do a return, and my cursor's back out there to start another paragraph. Now just to test this page number, this heading page number, however you put it in, that we have here in the upper right hand corner is very handy, particularly for longer papers, because it's put in there automatically. And to demonstrate that, I'm going to insert down here a page break page break. And you can see it when a new page starts.